I never seen how elephants lost their wings. This story is about flying elephants to God's house, pecan, and banana trees. Once upon a time, elephants could fly. They flew everywhere. They flew high into the sky and down on the ground. They even looked the look. Sometimes the gods flew on the backs. But the elephants were noisy. They yelled and croaked like roosters. Trees and houses shook. Below them cocked a doodle-doo. They flew into trees and smashed them. They landed on houses and fell right through. Soon all the trees were broken, and there were no houses left. We must stop them, said the gods, and they thought of a trick. They invited the elephants to a grand feast. The elephants eat and eat. Then they tummies were full. They slept. The gods took away their wings. They gave them to the pecan and the banana tree. The elephants were very cross. They sooty and they stopped. But they didn't get their wings back, and they never flew again. Puzzle 1. Find the thing in the picture. Elephant, trunk, house, hill, tree, wings. Puzzle 2. Can you spot the difference between their own picture? There are 6 to find. Puzzle 3. But put the picture in order A, B, C, D, and E. What happened next? Puzzle 4. A or B. Puzzle Puzzle 5 A or B. Ever to puzzle. Puzzle 1 Wings, truck, elephant, house, hill, tree. Puzzle 2 Puzzle 3 D, E, B, C, and A. Puzzle 4 B. Puzzle 5 A, Z, and